Hey, what's up guys, we're back at it. Today I want to talk about the little things that make the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe such a sweet bike, and not just the stuff you can read about in the brochure. So my favorite feature of this entire bike is the helmet hook, alright? It's like a simple little thing that every bike should have, but it just makes your life so much easier. Look, you come to a gas station, you come to a stop or wherever, you get your helmet, you get the D-ring, you put it right on there, you close it, it locks, you grab a coffee, a beer, whatever, hang out with your friends, come back, your helmet's still there, all right? You come back, you get your key, you simply put it in the lock, twist it, helmet comes off, toss it on your head, and you're on your merry way, all right? Helmet hook. If your bike doesn't have one, sucks for you. But the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe comes with one, straight out the box. Now another little feature of the Kawasaki that's so useful is these rear mounting points. There's a peg here, there's a bracket back here, just a secure anchor point to strap down things that just makes life easier on the Kawasaki. Now another little hidden gem is that under this seat, to unlock it, there's actually a little rubber seal that covers the lock. It's like these little features that make a world of difference. That way gunk and debris is not getting shot up into the lock while you're riding. And you simply just move the tab out the way, get your key, stick it in, twist, and that unlocks the seat. Now under the seat, there's actually an AC outlet already installed in the bike, and you can just plug in a device, run a USB cable to your phone or another device, and you're gonna have constant steady power. Super convenient, super easy, just human things that Kawasaki has already thought of. Now my favorite aesthetic feature of this bike, for some reason it's really weird and minute, but I love the detail, it's right here, DOHC, dual overhead cam. Just that little logo, it reminds me of like a Honda VTEC engine, and it just sticks out so nice and clean from the black. This nice silver finish, I don't know, it's the little things that just make this bike so cool. Now the beautiful retro vibes of this bike are inspired by the 1972 Kawasaki Z1. I'm kind of weird, but I love specifically on this bike the design of this kind of like tail and this like a flipper, I don't know what you want to call it, but the seat stops here and then we got this extra beautiful, kind of slopes up just a little bit, like a little spoiler. This is reminiscent of that 1972 Z1 vibe, 100%. It's just, I don't know what it is. This section here just gets me going and I love it. Now these are little details they don't talk about. Like take a look at this, it's like a piece of art. They could have used some boring little whatever to attach the fairing, but they chose to make this cool, intricate, spider looking unit, and it's the same thing for the rear. It's just these little details that make the bike so sweet. I really love the display of the speedo and the tach. I love these round, shiny housing units, and I love that they're analog and not digital. You just feel like you're more connected to the bike, seeing those little sticks flying around rather than just reading out some numbers. Now if you take a step back and look at this bike in total, it's a real work of art. It's a thing of beauty. One of the best things you'll ever see with your two eyes. I love the way they have these little decals that just flow perfectly all the way from the front to the back of the bike. It's just so clean, so classy, and so cool. Now the exhaust system on this bike is a thing of pure perfection and beauty. Not only does it perform well and looks really cool, but it sounds like a symphony of music, a crescendo of sound. It's like a high-pitched whining noise. It sounds like a supercharger. When you crank on that throttle, you'll hear it and you'll feel it and you'll love it. Now this bad boy has a 4.5 gallon tank and it gets around 55 miles per gallon. So I'm usually ranging out over 200 miles per tank. So this is not just a sport bike, it's not just a cruiser, it's the best of both worlds. You could take it cafe to cafe, you could take it coast to coast. Now if you want a modern long distance sport bike cruiser that's disguised as a dancing queen from the disco days, I'd recommend checking out the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe. It can't steer you wrong, I won't steer you wrong. I love you, keep the rubber side down, let's get it.